Alright, we're back. I'm going to do a new video here today. Nice day today. Got a few requests, so I'm just going to start right away. I got like a G6. I slowed it down. A little flex on the windshield here, which is brand new. Not broken. Song's pretty good. It's got some screaming highs. I'm actually pretty impressed with the amount of SQ the song kind of gives you. Alright, next song. I don't have a macro on here, so kind of sorry about that, but big shouts to downforsound.com. Definitely want to check that out. You want to join, become a team member, access to some private forums, stuff like that. A little bit of a benefit there, but it's just a great site all around. I've been plugging it all week. Been riding around with the window chalk on there and everything, just kind of trying to rep it out. So try to make this a little bit of a bigger site. It's looking like it's starting to expand quite a bit, but it's definitely something I want to check out. Shout outs to Slim. He's doing work there with those sundowns. Very impressive. Shout out to Too Short. Who else? Team Nemesis DJ. Doing it pretty big there. That whole team. Alright, so our next song here is Beat Without Bass, Lil Wayne. Pretty much my favorite song to kind of just drive around and beat on. I'll run it a little bit sealed here. This is what kind of scares me about the windshield here a little bit. See, the door is starting to blow apart a little bit. Just a couple of requests I wanted to fill out today while it's nice out. Again, check out downforsound.com. That is the site you want to be on right now, guys. It's a no-hate site. The way to go. Everybody there is really knowledgeable. You got all the big guys there. You got JP, Twisted Child 420, Six Dogs 1, Safari Base, doing it big with that new wall. 418s, I believe, and just B All Star 13, all those guys out there that really know what they're doing, EXO. You definitely want to check it out. I'll be on there. Screen name I Have a Butt. You can't miss that. Definitely don't want to be missing what I'm coming up with next. new power, stuff like that. But yeah, I'm out for now, but check it out.